find is we play how we train, so we really focus on our performance and training really well, and then that will transfer into the Saturday.
The answer to the first question is very frequently, because we're at the top of the English Premiership, where we attract a lot of people that would like to be associated with the club. By the same token, we're always looking for anything that we think potentially can give us a bit of an advantage and help us with our preparation to win more games. So we look for things that have scientific validation. We operate on a principle called evidence-based. So we don't just jump on anecdotal stories. We operate on principles that tend to exist and can be supported scientifically.
A highlight of my rugby career was definitely, I think, winning the Premiership last year. It was an amazing feeling. It felt like something we really had worked hard for, like a dream come true. So that was definitely one of mine.
I think first thing in the morning when you get out of bed, just being stiff, lower back, knees, ankles, everything being stiff. Putting on shoes, stuff like that, I think gets more difficult the older you get.
So nutrition, in all the research to go along with sleep, is by far the most important two aspects that we can do to ensure that we improve every time we train. Now, we've adopted Monavie because we see it as not part of the pill culture that pervades high performance sport at the moment, but something that's a bit alternative but hits the money in terms of delivering us antioxidants in a tasty, effective manner that the players will buy into.
Yeah, we very much like it. We come in and get a couple of shots, and it's very, very good for helping us to recover after training and after big games.
With Monavie, players believe, because we've shown them the evidence that it works, and two, it tastes great.
Yeah, well, taste-wise, it's good. It's a quick shot. Like the way we've been having it for a while now, it's a quick shot. It doesn't taste bad at all. It tastes really nice, actually.
The thing with elite athletes is it's just that they've chosen sport or to earn their living. They need sport to put stress on the system. But for every person in any day, we go through stress, be it from family stress or work stress, deadlines, lack of sleep, etc., etc. Stress is what breaks the organism down. So recovery for anyone, irrespective of where the stress comes from, is important. So Monavie then, again, provides something that tastes good, is readily available, and fits into your lifestyle at any time to help combat the effects of stress, enable you to recover and stay on top of your game, whether you're a broker or a